Hello everybody. So this is where we left off last video. So in today's video we are going to learn about variables. So first let us create a Python file called variables. And of course .py. We must never forget the .py. So first let me explain what a variable is. Variable is like a container, and the thing you put inside, you're just putting inside a container. And you can use that container whenever you want. Let me give you an example. My var is equal to, well, so my var is a variable, and you assign the thing that's inside the variable with an equal to sign, and I assign my var a string. Now a string is basically a text. For you all to understand, like I did with this one, I put quotes. Over here also I put quotes. It doesn't matter if it has to be single quote or double quote. This has to be quote when you're writing text. So now what is the use of this? My var is just line, and how can we use it? Well, like we did in our first code, we use the print function to print a text. So why don't we use the print function again, but this time not to use text, but this time to print a variable. So we're going to call my var, and this autocompletes it for you if you press enter. So we're printing this variable called my var. What is my var? My var is a container, and my var has the value of ha ha ha. So let's run this and see if we get any errors. No. It successfully printed ha ha ha. And it finished with exit code 0, which is a good sign, and we didn't get any errors. So let me explain what is happening. My var can hold anything. It can hold a string, a line, anything. I don't know. And it can also hold numbers. Like if I type 72 and then run it, yeah, it prints 72. So whatever there is in my var, it's getting printed over here. Now it's stuck together. So we want to make it different words, my and var. Then why don't I put just a space? But no, I get an error. But if I put an underscore over here, then I don't get any error. Why? Because you cannot put spaces in variables. If you put a space in a variable, you will get an error. Same with file names. Like I did with first code, I did not put a space. So if you put a space, you get an error. So instead of space, the next closest thing we have is an underscore, which does not give you any error. So it's okay. And it can hold anything, my var. It's a container and you can put anything inside the container. But the syntax has to be correct. Now the syntax means grammar in Python. So if you give just one quote and type lol, it will give you an error because you did not finish the string. No, I closed by mistake. So, but now if I give it another quote, it does not give you any error. So the grammar has to be correct in these files. Otherwise, you will get an error. So I think that's it for variables. Thank you for watching this video, and bye bye.